Sometimes I get stuck on an idea. What am I going to post about? What am I going to create a video about? You have a mind blank. You wonder, where's the ideas coming from? Well, there's tools you can use. You can go into the studio, YouTube studio, and there's you can look up the trends or inspiration from a video. They give you a whole bunch of ideas. You can go into YouTube search, type your subject and see what other people are typing. It shows you in the list. It'll give you some ideas. So I've had times where I've really had a blank, and then I'm out and suddenly the idea comes to me. And what you'll sometimes find is one idea leads to another. You get on a roll. It gets exciting. So ideas can be hard to come by, but in your field, in the subject you're talking about, go and search some of the established creators out there. See what they're posting about. Are they all posting about the same subjects? What's going on now? Get ideas from them. I do that a lot. I have a golf channel. I look at that and I go and look at what other creators are doing in the area that I look at, and I think, oh yeah, that's an interesting one. Sometimes when I'm out playing, I think, oh yeah, someone asked me a question. Okay, I'll make a video about that. So listen to what's going on around you. You're talking to people off camera, nothing to do with your video creation, and they may ask you things. They may prompt something. So keep notes. That's another good way. It leads to ideas. Get a bunch of ideas. You might find they're related, and you can make a few videos in a go and save yourself a bit of time. So don't get stuck. If you're getting your mind's gone blank, you can't think of any ideas, almost don't think about it. Just have a quick search, get some rough ideas from the internet, and see where that leads. 2 days later, you wake up and go, oh, I've got the idea. Go and make a video. It happens to us all. It's happened to me more than once. But then sometimes I can make 4, 5, 6 videos very quickly because I've got a flow of ideas. So I hope this helped. I hope you don't get too stuck up on finding some ideas. Make your next video. Tell us about it. We're all here for the same reason. Tell us about it, and we'll go and have a look. I'll see you in the next one.